my favorite detergent sheets. I like it a lot. It saves so much space in the laundry room. I do like it a lot. I used to have different pots, different detergents, but this one is my favorite. It smells so good. There are 32 sheets inside. I like it a lot. It is very convenient to use. I just take one sheet and put it in my load. I like the quality of it a lot, and just one sheet is enough for me. Even if I wash like 3 towels or a lot of clothes, it works perfectly. Such a concentrated detergent sheet. I was very surprised. It was my first time using it, and I think it's a great present for your friends and family because it is hard not to be impressed with it. Look at this, how it looks. It smells like a fresh, minty, very nice smell. And I'm very impressed. I'm gonna continue using it, and I like it so much better compared to another more like traditional type of things, detergents. I am so excited about it, and next time I'm gonna get a bigger bag because there are 32 packages, 32 sheets, but I want even more.